Here at the offices of Community Services for Sight in Sugarloaf with Lori Lissant, the president and CEO of that organization. Big fundraiser coming up for you guys. It's the annual bowling tournament. No tap bowling tournament, right?
That's right.
We'll get into what that means in a moment, but you guys do a lot of fundraisers. What sets this one apart a little bit? I know it's long standing. I've done a few stories on it, but what really sets it apart?
So this is our 19th year. And I think the reason it's so special is because anyone can do this event. You don't have to be an avid bowler. No tap means nines or strikes. So I can even sometimes acquire a strike. But what we do, Kenny, is in the third frame, just to give people a little bit of awareness of what our clients go through all the time, we turn the lights down and give them really just a little snippet of what it might be like to not be able to see, as clearly, because you're in the dark and you're trying to get that ball lined up to roll it down and hit some pins. So, and our clients all participate in this event too, which is really nice.
I wanted to ask about people maybe just showing up that day and doing it, and maybe why you would encourage that. I did it for a story a few years ago, and it's amazing how one day can change your perspective on things. I mean, just being there with the people who use your services, seeing them bowl and getting to know the volunteers gave me such a, I don't say, deep understanding of kind of what you do and why you do it. Would you encourage people to come for that very reason? Or?
Absolutely. Just even if you don't want to bowl, we always say, come on out. Just you could stop by, see what's happening. And like you said, you can meet some of our volunteers, you can meet our clients, and you could get a better understanding of what Community Services for Sight really does. Because a lot of people, Kenny, they don't know who we are until they need us. Yeah. As much as we try to always advertise our organization and do things in the community, some people just, I don't have a vision problem. So it doesn't always sink in as quickly, but you're right. When you come out and you just observe at an event, you see things, and we get a lot of volunteers that way because they come out to different events and they say, I want to be part of this.
Obviously a fundraiser for you guys too, and I know you answered this a million times, but exactly what do you do with the funds then? And if people are coming out that day, they say, hey, my money's going to here, it's going to help with this.
Sure. So all the funds that we raise at any of our events go to serve the 3 counties that we serve, which is Southern Luzerne, Carbon, and Schuylkill. So those monies are put right back into direct service. So that means transporting our clients to their medical appointments, taking them to the grocery store, going into their home, helping them read their mail. Because if you take just a moment and you think, if I went to the mailbox today, close your eyes, you have no idea what's in that envelope. So that's what a lot of my clients are facing. So we read their mail. We assist them with writing checks to pay their bills. We have programs for our kids where we're, every month we get the kids together and we do educational and socialization programs. We have summer camps that we run. So every dollar that we bring in is absolutely 100% into direct service.
It's also a day, you have your clients there and it seems like they're having a lot of fun for people to get to know them. We're back here, there's photos, you can probably get some nice memories of doing this every year and also doing a lot of events with the whole team, clients, volunteers.
Absolutely. This event is really fun for me because it is a great event for my clients to participate. This one allows them to really have a great day doing the activity because they're able to bowl. And, it is really networking for them and them getting out because some of my clients, if we don't bring them out, they're not getting out.
You're here, I guess, you have office hours. If people need you, how can they find you? Where can they reach you?
So they can call us at 570-455-0421, or they can stop by our office at 4 Brook Hill Road in Sugarloaf. I do encourage people to call first because sometimes I am out on the road, servicing our clients, but always give us a call and we're always very happy to help in any capacity.
All right, so get on out to the Community Services for Sight. No tap bowling tournament, help them out. It's a good time. I was there once too. It's just a nice atmosphere. Is that Valley Lanes?
Valley Lanes in Cybertsville, yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a cool atmosphere there, very family oriented and just a chill, you have a very, very nice day. Lori, thank you for your time today. I know you're busy, so definitely appreciate it.